Hi people! So today I'm going to be talking about the toys that I was completely obsessed with as a child. Some of these toys I still do play with and collect, and a lot of them I was my friends and I would go crazy over them when we were younger. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is going to be the old My Little Ponies. I have a lot of the new ones too, but the old ones were I used to get them all the time for birthdays, holidays, things like that. And here, I think this is Pinkie Pie. So this is one toy that I loved when I was younger, and I still love them, but I have mostly new ones now, not the older generation. Next are something that's, they still have them, but they're harder to find now, but Puffles. I loved Puffles. I had tons of them. My friends and I would play with them, play games with them, and we would go crazy over them and give them personalities, and we had so much fun with them. And we loved all the little colors and facial expressions of them. So yeah, Puffles. Next are Webkinz. If you don't know what Webkinz are, they're stuffed animals that come with codes, and you can put them online, and they have little W's on them. And my friends and I had so many hours of fun with these stuffed animals. We used to create little games with them and make them into families and have them go to school and all that kind of stuff. And that was a lot of fun. So I used to every month when I'd get my allowance, I'd go down to the local toy store or Hallmark and just buy Webkinz with it. And so Webkinz were my favorite thing when I was younger, and I still love Webkinz. They're so adorable. But and then Lil's Pet Shop. My friends and I had all these different little games we would play with Lil's Pet Shop, and I'm sad that you can't get this kind anymore. They only have the new generation, which is still cute, but I don't have any of the new ones. I think I just have the old ones, but we used to play with these all the time, and I really miss them. They're so cute. And you can probably still get them on eBay and Amazon. So yeah, we have all these little animals, and we play little games, kind of similar games to what we do with the Webkinz. So that's Lil's Pet Shop, so those were really fun. The next thing is Pokemon. I still love Pokemon. I play the games on my DS and stuff, so Pokemon, my friends and I would play, we'd play school with the Pokemon dolls, and I would be the teacher, and they would be the little Pokemon, and we would create families for them, and we played so many funny games, and we had a blast with these, and they were so much fun. I just love them. This was my first Pokemon doll ever, Munchlax. So, yes. Next is something you might remember if you went through this phase that was going on, Silly Bandz. Silly Bandz were very, very popular where I grew up. So, I don't know if where you lived, if they had this phase where all the kids were buying Silly Bandz, but Silly Bandz are rubber bands shaped like animals and creatures and things. Some of them are kind of hard to identify, but I think this one's a little it looks like a Mr. Men or something, or a little dude with a hat. But Silly Bandz were they were so popular, and they just kind of died out all of a sudden. And so I have tons of Silly Bandz that I don't really do much with anymore. But there were kids at my school that would wear them all the way up their arms. They would have a rainbow of Silly Bandz going all the way up their arms, and they would deal them on the playground and be like, "Hey, want some Silly Bandz?" And they would meet under the play structure and trade. And they also had these little dudes you could cling to the Silly Bandz, and they had necklaces you could make, and they were rings, bracelets, everything. So Silly Bandz were really mega popular where I grew up. So that's Silly Bandz. And then the last thing I have is an American Girl doll. I used to make stop motion videos with my American Girl dolls and put them on YouTube, and I still have that channel up. American Girl dolls, I didn't actually get that into them until a few years ago, but I always loved them, but I was always too nervous to buy my own because they were so expensive, and I hadn't really ever been into dolls until American Girl dolls. And then my friends had tons of American Girl stuff, and we would play with them, and I was like, oh, I really wish I had an American Girl doll, so I eventually bought some. Oh, this is Emily, one of my American Girl dolls. But so yeah, so American Girl dolls were pretty popular among me and my friends when we were younger, and we still play with them and stuff, just not as much anymore, but I still love them, and I think they're super adorable. So anyway, yeah, so those were the toys I was completely obsessed with as a kid, and you probably know some of these and maybe had some of them when you were younger too, or maybe you have some now. I mean, I still have all mine, so. Thanks for watching, and comment down below what your favorite toy growing up was, or what it is right now. And thank you for watching. I think I already said that, but and I'll be back in a few days with a new vlog.